We're back more Hatcast and we're still playing this fucking game. Ugh.
The grind is real.
This is torture. Oh, I hope it does another zoom in on him. Hold on.
Yeah.
Fuck.
But you didn't listen to it. So now we gotta do these morons again.
That was excessive.
There is like no real penalty for like you just
No, there isn't. From the looks of it, we're supposed to dodge them.
Yeah.
That's too far. Wait. See, it's showing us that it's like, oh, these are the enemies, by the way. I love how their instinct is like, let's throw a box at them.
Right?
Whatever, I saved my crystal thing, so I don't even have to worry about dodging.
And
like,
I'm still a midget.
now I'm huge.
That didn't really work.
Yeah, I don't think it allows me to use the crystals over there. It's like, no, you need to learn the dodge. Which is that. But I'm still shitty.
There we go.
Oh, fuck. I was like, don't one-shot me, please.
Come on. There's a wall over here.
More brick walls? The secrets for days. Wow, that's a big chest. What am I getting? A new part.
Looks like a flashlight.
It does.
Come on.
Okay.
Get in there.
There's a blocked scene.
No, that would have been
Oh, that was a blocked scene? They blocked it from the recording! We're not allowed to show the secrets! We're not fucking allowed to!
That's awesome. Can I break these?
Fuck!
Ah!
Again!
Back here!
Oh!
This game.
Backtracker Pro! This is unforgiving. Okay, R. Oh shit. Shit balls.
I mean, we have to collect the secret again. Oh, I get parts too.
Oh shit. Maybe I just been jipping
Right,
you the whole
let's
time.
see if we have to collect this stupid thing again.
Yep. Let's see. It's gonna be the blocked scene again. Oh fuck. Oh, no, we don't. Okay.
Oh.
I don't think it blocked the scene that time.
Yeah, we spoiled it for all you people.
Yeah, I think it's a blocked scene as in maybe it's blocking like we're showing like upgrades. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Ow.
Oh fuck. I don't want to die.
Hey, oh.
Wait. Oh, you are getting bigger.
Damn it, can't make the color.
He's trying to look all tough. Oh man. Please. Is this a boss fight? He looks like the same guy. Shouldn't there just have a badass?
Yeah.
He's got a big nose.
Next.
Really? Okay, so we're fighting big dudes now. Please give me a one-shot mechanic.
Oh, there's no fires.
Oh wow, it stopped.
I told you. It's like, alright, at least.
Okay, so it gives you that little second there. Be like, oh shit. Wow.
That was easy.
How come I can't pick up a fucking car? I'm huge.
Right?
I'm made of rocks. I want to pick up a fucking car. Ooh.
Now you're even bigger.
So now it's just a regular mob. So one of these guys gonna have a fuck stick. That's what I like to call those. Like that weapon in World of Warcraft that looked like a bunch of tentacles, and I always called it the fuck stick.
I already see your wall.
Oh, that was a sick cutscene.
Hey!
Oh. Woo-wee!
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I see what it's blocking now. It won't record like the thing there where it shows like what I got. So it's not so much of a secret. They didn't even explain that there's walls in the game. They were just like, "Oh, play it." Where you were just like, "Oh, there's a wall. Let's try breaking that."
It looks like stereotypical breakable wall.
Yeah, dude, don't get huge. Shit! Shit!
All right, kill him first.
Yeah, I was hoping I would have a sun crystal of sorts.
We
Break the
already
wall.
did that.
Oh yeah, we did. I wonder how big we get. Hey, guy with a fuck stick.
This guy is...
What? You can't jump up the side of the stairs?
No.
How come I keep getting pieces? I'm not even doing shit.
Alright, go on for the guy in the back. Oh, no.
That was super hard.
Oh, buddy.
Ooh, sun crystals. Ah, we're super powered now. Well, he's just, even though we're running, he's just slowly walking through. Leisurely. Wow. Save the random statue! My wife! How dare you! A monument! Was that right?
Sorry.
No, that's all he has to say. He's like, no, he's not like, oh my god, I'm very sorry about that. He's like, oh. Yeah, you handle fuck sticks. This is super.
Okay, so I get bigger when I kill guys.
And I just get bigger.
That was it.
Ah.
Oh,
Oh,
dancing.
no, he's dancing. You know, the guy's the guy's probably
So,
gonna be the main
Victor,
villain because he's like, you broke my fucking statue. Oh, nice butt.
It seems
But he's like, you broke my fucking statue.
You want him to come, and you want him to bring Knack.
This reminds me of like a rip-off of a Nintendo game.
What a
knows
wonderful
the point.
demonstration, Doctor. Yes, Knack must join us in our expedition.
He's like, fuck him. My wife.
I wonder what Charlotte would have thought of Knack if she was still
Like,
Come
I
on,
would have
Ron.
hated him.
Let's go.
Wow, this gets real dark real quickly.
Yeah. So now we're friends with the robots.
Apparently, he doesn't look too happy about it.
Nope.
Hurry up, lad. We don't have all day.
Let's skip
Hey,
this
Doc.
bullshit.
Yeah.
Wait, hey, Dad. Fucking, why are we?
Little baby again.
I hate this.
Full of dangerous creatures.
See, I was super pumped for this game when it was coming out, and I'm glad I didn't buy it.
We're fighting bugs.
Yeah, we're so tiny. They're like, oh, now we're just. Oh, fuck! Why is it one hit? Overpaid bug squash, underpaid bug squashers.
So literally, you could technically let me do all the fighting,
Why?
so that if you get one shot, you don't die.
How come you don't get one-shotted?
I do.
Wait, so that means
But it doesn't
does
send
that
us
break the
back.
mechanic? I can just stand back, not do anything, and just get bigger because I just got slightly bigger for
Yes.
doing nothing. Oh, there's not even a slow dodge mechanic.
Nope.
The robots didn't prepare us for this at all.
Did he blow up?
Yeah,
What the hell was that?
the robots also.
What robot?
I'm just joking. I had a giant head. Whee!
Look, there's an old structure with some relics in it.
Oh wow! He's like, break it! Oh, that's his first instinct. He's like, oh look, an old structure. Why not? Why not break it? Wow, that thing fucking just blew the shit up. Are we fighting birds too? What kind of motherfucker are we? We're not for the environment. We're after it.
We're a nature hater.
Wow, like goddamn bird hippies taking all of our jobs.
Those
Oh,
traps
shit.
goblins around.
Goddamn
Oh.
Indian motherfuckers. Setting up their traps. You're birdie.
Savages.
You're birdie.
Oh, this fucking. Why are we fighting natives?
I don't know.
That's the expedition. It's
Because they
ruined.
set up traps.
Hey, that's a. Get off my land, savage!
Well, we don't. Oh wait, we do get these.
Oh, fuck.
Hold on. Alright, now we can.
Now we can break the wall. What's in here?
Stone crystals.
I need more of those.
Wow.
One hit! One hit!
Oh, we gotta do this again.
I'm a scientific experiment, and they're like, not the one hit thing really works for us.
There we go. Okay, stone crystals.
Why can I only take one hit? Oh, shit balls!
Don't die.
Fuck! Why?
Ah.
There's no checkpoints! One hit still!
How was I able to take like 3 hits?
I don't know, let's see this. And I am Knack, and I can only take one. This is just Yuri breaking the game.
I think that's the point of the co-op, is to break the game.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stand back here and not do anything. Except
See,
punch
I
that
only
one.
get like, see, I just took like 2 hits.
I think we're supposed to like dodge and shit, but I'm just not.
Does it really matter?
No. Clearly.
Corridors. Everything is corridors.
Hey man, they're going for that old school feel. My old.
This is like fucking Sonic Boom.
Yeah. More natives. Like, I don't like you living here.
Oh, is there anything over here?
We're gonna find out for sure.
No.
No. Oh.
A useless area.
But, oh, what the hell?
Sludge.
But want to know something different?
What?
Next time on Hatcast! Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Are you getting bigger?
Nope. Take it.